Please note that the content shown in the following video may differ depending on the market and vehicle equipment. Using Memory Parking Assist, you can record and call up maneuvers for entering or exiting a parking space. With these maneuvers, the system can automatically drive your vehicle into or out of a parking space. The route that you wish to save must not be located on public roads. You can save several parking procedures, each with a distance of 100 meters. Within a radius of around 150 meters, you can only save one maneuver into and out of a parking space. Start the vehicle and first drive a specific route because, for orientation purposes, the system requires reference points in the vicinity, such as walls. Press the Parking Assist button to access the Camera and Parking menu in the central display, and then select Memory Parking Assist. Stop the vehicle at the required starting point for the parking procedure you wish to save. Press the Record button and follow the instructions on the central display. Driving at a maximum speed of 8 km per hour, park the vehicle at the required final position. For a successful recording, make sure that there is sufficient distance to objects. Then press the Stop button when the vehicle is stationary to end and save the recording. You can only record the process of exiting a parking space directly after parking in that space. To this end, record a parking procedure. Do not switch off the vehicle, and then record the process of exiting the parking space. To record and save exiting a parking space, proceed as for saving a parking procedure. In order to park your vehicle automatically using Memory Parking Assist, press the Play button in the Memory Parking Assist menu and stop the vehicle at the starting point for the previously saved parking procedure. The parking procedure available for this location is selected automatically. Follow the instructions on the central display. The vehicle automatically drives into the selected final position, provided the route is free of obstacles. To call up a saved maneuver for exiting a parking space, follow the same procedure as for parking the vehicle. The system can only drive your vehicle out of the parking space using Memory Parking Assist if it was parked automatically beforehand.
Please note that the content shown in the following video may differ depending on the market and vehicle equipment. The intelligent light system with digital light headlamps adapts the light from the headlamps automatically in accordance with the driving situation and weather conditions. If you have switched on the main beam, Adaptive High Beam Assist Plus also assists you. It automatically switches between dipped beam, main beam, partial main beam, and the ultra-range high beam in order to provide you with full main beam illumination without dazzling other road users. You can activate or deactivate the intelligent light system in the multimedia system. Only change the settings when the vehicle is at a standstill. Go to the Settings menu in the multimedia system. Then to the Lights tab. And finally, select the Digital Light menu. Once there, you can activate or deactivate the Dynamic Dipped Beam option. The intelligent light system is now active. You can activate Adaptive High Beam Assist Plus by turning the light switch to the auto position. Then, switch the main beam on by pushing the combination switch forwards. Adaptive High Beam Assist Plus is switched on if the indicator lamp in the driver's display lights up. The intelligent light system and Adaptive High Beam Assist Plus adapt the headlamps or lights automatically. Some functions of the intelligent light system and Adaptive High Beam Assist are only activated if certain prerequisites are fulfilled, such as a specific speed range. The intelligent light system evaluates, for example, altitude differences along your route as part of a topography analysis. To do this, the system uses map data and adapts the headlamps to suit the climb or descent. Adaptive High Beam Assist Plus assists you by automatically changing the light type. With partial main beam, for example, opposing traffic or vehicles driving in front are automatically cut out of the cone of light to avoid dazzling them.
Please note that the content shown in the following video may differ depending on the market and vehicle equipment. Pre-safe, the anticipatory occupant protection, can detect certain imminent impacts and take preemptive measures to protect the vehicle occupants. In addition, Pre-Safe Plus can, in particular, detect an imminent rear impact. If the system detects an imminent impact, Pre-Safe Plus can implement the following measures independently of each other. Activating the rear hazard warning light system at a higher flashing frequency. Tightening the seat belts on the driver's seat and front passenger seat. And increasing the brake pressure when the vehicle is stationary. If an accident does not occur, the preemptive measures that were taken are reversed. The system does not implement any safety measures when reversing, or in the event of an imminent rear impact while driving with a trailer. The system does not initiate a brake application while driving, or when the vehicle is parking or exiting a parking space using Active Parking Assist. Please note that the content shown in the following video may differ depending on the market and vehicle equipment. Active Speed Limit Assist automatically detects speed limits and adopts them for Active Distance Assist Distronic. Active Speed Limit Assist is only available when Active Distance Assist Distronic is activated. In the multimedia system, under Settings, select Assistance, Driving, Active Distance Assist, Adopt Speed Limit to switch on Active Speed Limit Assist. If Traffic Sign Assist detects a change to the speed limit, Active Speed Limit Assist adopts this automatically as the set speed for Active Distance Assist Distronic. In the case of a place name sign, the vehicle sets the speed to match the speed permitted in towns. On stretches of motorway which are not subject to a speed limit, the system adopts the saved speed for unlimited stretches of road. If you do not save a new speed, this corresponds to the recommended speed of 130 km per hour. If Active Distance Assist Distronic has been put into passive mode by pressing the accelerator pedal, the system only adopts speed limits which are higher than the set speed. Speed limits below 20 km per hour are not adopted. Please note that the content shown in the following video may differ depending on the market and vehicle equipment. Using moderate steering interventions, Active Steering Assist helps you to drive in the center of the lane. The assistance system is only an aid. You as the driver are always responsible for steering, accelerating, and braking the vehicle. Active Steering Assist is only available when ESP and Active Distance Assist Distronic are switched on. Always keep your hands on the steering wheel when driving with Active Steering Assist. You must always be able to perform corrective interventions or react in the event of the system switching from active to passive mode. In the multimedia system, select Settings, Assistance, Driving in order to switch Active Steering Assist on or off. Vehicles driving ahead and visible lane markings serve as orientation for active steering assist. If the system cannot detect these, it remains passive. The vehicle does not steer autonomously. Active steering assist switches to active mode when all prerequisites are fulfilled. Using moderate steering interventions, the vehicle assists the driver with driving in the center of the lane. When the system switches from active to passive mode, the status display will request that you take over steering the vehicle entirely. If you do not steer for a prolonged period of time, or if you take your hands off the steering wheel, a message also appears in the driver's display. If you do not react to this, a warning tone will sound. If you do not react to the warning for a considerable period, the system can initiate an emergency stop.
Please note that the content shown in the following video may differ depending on the market and vehicle equipment. Active Brake Assist can help you to minimize the risk of a collision or to reduce the effects of such a collision. It can detect vehicles, cyclists and pedestrians and, depending on the situation, reacts with warnings or autonomous braking. Active Brake Assist is automatically activated when the vehicle is switched on. If there are no restrictions, it is fully available after a short period. In the multimedia system under Settings, Assistance, Collision Avoidance, you can switch off Active Brake Assist. However, this is not recommended. Select the gear wheel symbol next to Active Brake Assist to set the point at which a warning or brake application occurs to early, medium, or late. Active Brake Assist warns you about a risk of collision by issuing a warning tone, as well as with a distance warning lamp in the driver's display. If you do not react to the warning, the vehicle may brake autonomously in critical situations. If you apply the brakes yourself in critical situations or depress the brake during autonomous braking, the system can provide braking assistance appropriate to the situation. The brake pressure increases up to a maximum full-stop braking if necessary.
Please note that the content shown in the following video may differ depending on the market and vehicle equipment. Active Distance Assist Distronic regulates the speed and the distance to the vehicle travelling in front. The system is available from 20 km per hour to 160 km per hour on vehicles without the driving assistance package, or up to 210 km per hour on vehicles equipped with the driving assistance package. Active Distance Assist Distronic is controlled using the left-hand control elements on the steering wheel. If you then press Set Plus or Set Minus and release the accelerator pedal, your current driven speed is maintained by the system. If you press the Resume button and release the accelerator pedal, the system sets the previously stored speed. You can adjust the driving speed with the control panel in the middle. Swipe your finger over the control panel in order to increase or reduce the speed by 1 km per hour. Press briefly on Set Plus or Set Minus in order to increase or reduce the speed by 10 km per hour. Press and hold one of the buttons in order to increase the speed in 10 km per hour increments. If the driver's display shows a new speed limit, press the Resume button in order to adopt this speed for Active Distance Assist Distronic. Press the Distance button in order to reduce the set distance to the vehicle in front by 1 stage each time. If the lowest distance stage is selected, renewed pressing of the Distance button takes the selection to the highest stage. Press the Cancel button in order to deactivate Active Distance Assist Distronic. The assistance system is only an aid. The driver is responsible for speeds, distances, and braking in good time. Brake the vehicle, if necessary even until it is stationary, if the system does not brake sufficiently.
Please note that the content shown in the following video may differ depending on the market and vehicle equipment.
Remote Parking Assist parks your vehicle while you are outside your vehicle. You monitor the parking process using your mobile phone. For the Remote Parking Assist function, you require a mobile phone with the current version of the Mercedes Me Remote Parking app. Log in with your Mercedes Me account. The vehicle must be allocated to your account. Before the first maneuver, you must authorize the app in your vehicle once. To do so, select Settings, Remote Parking Assist, Authorize New Device. Scan the displayed QR code with your smartphone and confirm the authorization. In order to connect with the Remote Parking app, engage Transmission Position P. Switch off the vehicle and exit it with the key. You now have approximately 2 minutes to connect the Remote Parking app to the vehicle. If you wish your parked vehicle to exit the parking space using Remote Parking Assist, unlock it using the vehicle key. You now have approximately 1 minute to connect the Remote Parking app to the vehicle. In the app, follow the shown pattern precisely in order to start the vehicle. Select Straight Ahead to drive straight ahead into or exit a parking space or garage. Select Parking Space for a previously detected parking space. Press the button shown and tilt the mobile phone to start the vehicle moving. Stay within approximately 3 meters distance from the vehicle. Observe the surroundings to make sure you do not endanger yourself or others. The vehicle will stop when you tilt the phone back again or the vehicle has detected an obstacle. Complete the operation using the app. When finishing the parking process via the app, the vehicle is automatically switched off and locked.
Please note that the content shown in the following video may differ depending on the market and vehicle equipment.
The recuperative braking system charges your high-voltage battery during the journey when you brake or when the vehicle is in overrun mode. As soon as you release the accelerator pedal when the vehicle is in motion, recuperation in overrun mode is initiated. You can set the level of recuperation using the 2 steering wheel gearshift paddles. The driver display shows the currently selected recuperation level next to the transmission position display. Pull briefly on the left-hand steering wheel gearshift paddle in order to increase the level of recuperation. Pull briefly on the right-hand steering wheel gearshift paddle in order to reduce the level of recuperation. The recuperative braking system assists you when braking and converts the vehicle's kinetic energy into electrical energy. The higher the recuperation, the more sharply the vehicle is decelerated, and the more electrical energy is fed into the high-voltage battery. In recuperation level D, the vehicle decelerates normally in overrun mode and the high-voltage battery is recharged with medium intensity. In D+, there is no recuperation when you remove your foot from the accelerator pedal. The vehicle coasts freely. In D-, the recuperation is at its highest. The vehicle decelerates more sharply in overrun mode and the high-voltage battery is charged more intensely at the same time. A long pull on the left or right-hand steering wheel gearshift paddle will select Recuperation Level D Auto. In this level, the vehicle controls recuperation intelligently and preemptively using Eco Assist. Please note that the content shown in the following video may differ depending on the market and vehicle equipment. Navigation with electric intelligence helps you to reach your destination more quickly and with fewer charging stops. In order to use electric intelligence, you will need a Mercedes Me account which is linked with the vehicle. Activate the Navigation with Electric Intelligence service in the Mercedes Me portal. To use the function optimally, the Plan in a charging stop option must be activated. After selecting a destination, the route to the destination will be calculated. The route created by electric intelligence includes the required charging stations as intermediate destinations. The charging stations are selected by taking into account the route and the anticipated charging times. In the Route menu, you can make various settings for selecting charging stations. For example, you can set the desired state of charge with which your vehicle should reach the next charging station or destination. You can also set whether only charging stations compatible with Mercedes Me Charge or another provider should be used. When range monitoring is activated, it helps you to arrive at your destination with complete peace of mind. In order to reach the destination with the state of charge which you have set, the range is permanently monitored. Range monitoring displays a message with the recommended maximum speed if it is not possible to reach the destination with the set state of charge.
Please note that the content shown in the following video may differ depending on the market and vehicle equipment.
If the flush-fit door handles do not extend automatically, you can either pull them out manually or initiate their extension simply by touching them. You can unlock your vehicle using the emergency key element if you cannot unlock it with the vehicle key or by touching the flush-fit door handles. To manually pull out the flush-fit door handle on the driver's door, insert a flat, non-metallic object behind the door handle from above and pry it outwards slightly. Reach behind the door handle from below and pull it outwards to the pressure point. If the vehicle is unlocked, firmly pull the door handle outwards past the pressure point to open the door. To use the emergency key element, press the release button on the back of the vehicle key and pull out the emergency key element. Pry the flush-fit driver's door handle outwards as described and hold it in the fully extended position. Insert the emergency key element horizontally into the center of the keyhole behind the door handle. Let the door handle slide back into the normal extended position and turn the emergency key element 90 degrees anti-clockwise to unlock the vehicle. To then open the door, firmly pull the door handle outwards past the pressure point. Please note that the content shown in the following video may differ depending on the market and vehicle equipment. Using the hands-free access function, you can open, close and hold the tailgate with the help of a foot movement, without having to take out and use your vehicle key. To operate the tailgate using the hands-free access function, stand in a central position at a distance of at least 30 centimeters at the rear of the vehicle. In doing so, the vehicle key must be to the rear of the vehicle. Furthermore, it must not be deactivated. Kick your foot in a quick, fluid movement under the center of the bumper and back without touching the vehicle. The tailgate opens automatically. If you repeat the foot movement while the tailgate is opening, it will stop in the current position. When the tailgate is open, make the same kicking movement and the tailgate will close automatically. With an extended trailer coupling, carry out the kicking movement on the left or right directly next to the trailer coupling for hands-free access.
Please note that the content shown in the following video may differ depending on the market and vehicle equipment. The intelligent light system with digital light headlamps adapts the light from the headlamps automatically in accordance with the driving situation and weather conditions. If you have switched on the main beam, Adaptive High Beam Assist Plus also assists you. It automatically switches between dipped beam, main beam, partial main beam, and the ultra-range high beam in order to provide you with full main beam illumination without dazzling other road users. You can activate or deactivate the intelligent light system in the multimedia system. Only change the settings when the vehicle is at a standstill. Go to the Settings menu in the Multimedia system. Then to the Lights tab. And finally, select the Digital Light menu. Once there, you can activate or deactivate the Dynamic Dipped Beam option. The intelligent light system is now active. You can activate Adaptive High Beam Assist Plus by turning the light switch to the auto position. Then, switch the main beam on by pushing the combination switch forwards. Adaptive High Beam Assist Plus is switched on if the indicator lamp in the driver's display lights up. The intelligent light system and Adaptive High Beam Assist Plus adapt the headlamps or lights automatically. Some functions of the intelligent light system and Adaptive High Beam Assist are only activated if certain prerequisites are fulfilled, such as a specific speed range. The intelligent light system evaluates, for example, altitude differences along your route as part of a topography analysis. To do this, the system uses map data and adapts the headlamps to suit the climb or descent. Adaptive High Beam Assist Plus assists you by automatically changing the light type. With partial main beam, for example, opposing traffic or vehicles driving in front are automatically cut out of the cone of light to avoid dazzling them.
Please note that the content shown in the following video may differ depending on the market and vehicle equipment. Your user profile enables you to store and call up personal settings with ease. Depending on the vehicle's equipment, these may include settings for the driver's seat, steering wheel, and mirror, as well as for air conditioning, ambient lighting, your previous destinations, the radio, your favorites, and personalized suggestions. In order to create a user profile, you need to use a Mercedes Me account and a Mercedes Me PIN. Select the Add User option and follow the instructions which are subsequently shown. Once this is complete, your Mercedes Me account will be linked with the vehicle and a user profile will be created. If the vehicle is equipped with a rear tablet, rear seat occupants can log in as Mercedes Me users. Please note that a user profile can only be activated on a single display at any one time. Please note that multiple personalized comfort systems adjust or set themselves once a user profile is activated.